To fallen soldiers let us sing, where no rockets fly, nor bullets wing. Our broken brothers let us bring to the mansions of the Lord. No more bleeding, no more fight, no prayers pleading through the night. Justified embrace eternal light in the mansions of the Lord, where no fathers cry and no children weep. We will stand and guard o'er the angels sleep. All through the ages safely keep the mansions of the Lord, the mansions of the Lord. To fallen soldiers let